Stampy, and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video inside of Stampy's lovely world. Where's Esther? Where is she? Oh my god! There, free now. Where's the current gone? Where's my current? Oh my god, okay! Quickly, run to stop these hot bombs. But first I have to go to my love garden. And today to my love garden, I'm going to be adding oak planks here. Be adding big balls because he blew up my world. Anyway, today I'm also going to be adding Alpha Lee and Fizzy Elephant. Alpha Lee and Fizzy Elephant. Alpha Lee and Fizzy Elephant. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, he must be hit the target. He must run. Anyway, why the hell are there so many elephants? Oh my god! Plus I waited until night time. So yeah. Oh, hello, William Breather. There's something you want to say? Oh, you want a sign? Okay, William Breather. I'm going to craft you a sign. Have you written that? Follow me, Fizzy. What the fuck? Oh my god. What do you mean Fizzy is racist? William Breather. What the fuck? You'd better be having a little joke with me. Okay, good God, if he's not so fucking rude. Where did the Fizzy one go? Okay. What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Why are you all still alive? Write down a sign for me. Let's see that. We are your old helpers. No, you're not. Amy Lee, Breadstick, Crimson Azoth, and Alpha Lee. We hired Fizzy after you left him in our world. So you're racist. This is not cool. Oh my god, you are awful, awful people. I am disgusted. You burn. Well, thank you for watching. And I will see you all later. Bye.